back. Spare change, auto repair. Got this 2007 Lexus ES350. See right out of my hand, right? The worst AC compressor you can install in the worst car ever. There's no room for nothing in here. Come take a look. The alternator right here. That's your alternator. Underneath is your AC compressor. You see it from the back over here. See that AC line. So, but that said, the easiest way to do this job for me is you grab a hold of this as hard as you can and you yank it up. When you yank it up, you come and you move it out your way. And you got your pull line for inside the cab to open this thing. I just move it out the way a little bit. I'll get it out of there in a minute, but the reason for that is I'm taking off this fan and I might take off the radiator too. It's the only way I'm gonna have enough room to play in here. There's no other way of doing this job. As you can see, well, I can undo the condenser from here. 2 bolts, 2 on the bottom, slide the condenser this way, take this radiator and get it out my way. And that's going to be the quickest way to do this job, is with this radiator completely out of the way. So with that said, I gotta undo this latch here so I can take this piece, put it off to the side. I'll come over here, 10 millimeters, yank that off. This is easy, I like these. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. That's it. We got a couple of bolts on the top for all the stuff and accessories, but I figure I got to here and I'll bring you along so you can see the headache that I gotta deal with on a day-to-day basis. But it's my job. I enjoy what I do, and boom, that's all I could do. Just complain to myself.
Right, so stop whining about it. Put on your big girl panties and get to work.
Which one, the big G-strings? Oh, God. But anyway, you got veered off there for a minute. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off over here. Find out where the hell this thing is coming through. Move it out the way. And then, well, I have almost space to work with. So, forward to one clamp here, one clamp there, one clamp here, one clamp there. Everywhere, clamp. But look, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the radiator out. It's easy. Just remember, undo all your lines that you got everywhere. You got here, here. Unplug your fan control box. Just unplug a few little things, move them out the way. And then gotta take this off the, well, the hole's gonna stay here, so technically you don't gotta take the whole 2 sensor wire out. But just this hole's here, this one in the bottom, when I plug the fan, and we'll yank this out, and we'll see what lies beneath this piece. So I'll be right back. Off.
So is that the belt?
Huh?
The belt?
Who?
Did the belt you just took off?
Yeah.
So,
Belt's off.
okay.
Oh, you want to start?
It's already started, baby.
It already started. Oh my God. So here you go. Right there.
Right
You
here.
filming this?
Yes, sir.
There it is. One piece of condenser, radiator, fan. When you take this off, there's a few bolts on the top, transmission line, freaking lines, your hoses for your radiator. On the back side, two 10mm bolts undo your AC line for the condenser. You're redoing everything anyway. Remember to put your O-rings in. Don't forget your O-rings. And after half hour of plugging, draining, and taking everything apart, that's what you end up with. A big hole to take out that AC compressor. 4 bolts. I undid the belt already. I'm gonna yank them 4 bolts out of there. That's how quick it'll come out of there. I think it's L12 millimeter.
How'd you do the belt?
What?
How'd you do the
Oh,
belt?
yeah, I need this right here. How I did the belt? I don't remember. Nah, I just right here, still stuck right here. A crow's foot on the tensioner. Push it back that way. This right here has got a little tension on it because it's stuck. But the belt's off. I'll pull the compressor out. Gotta get another ratchet. Yeah, 12. Oh, right there, right? Gotta get another ratchet.
This is a 10 here.
Right?
This is a 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. That's 12.
It's a 10, baby.
Right here, baby. And the ashtray.
Gotcha.
And there it is. It is a 12. Gotta get my other ratchet. I'm just gonna pop them loose. And then I'm gonna go ahead and find my beast of a Milwaukee and have the Milwaukee do the rest of the job. What the world happened there? Alright. Come on. There you go. Alright, I got another one hot in back here somewhere. There it is. And one more right here on the bottom. That's it. But anyways, just doing a little praying in Spanish.
Yeah.
Oh, get a short extension. Remember, do the bottom one first. Because it's gonna fall. And you wanna catch it from the top and not the bottom. It's a heavy mother hubber. This ain't no joke. See, you drop them in there. Get the one furthest away first. And you wanna have some leverage to catch this thing. This thing is heavy. It weighs just as much as 3 regular. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Watch your legs, young lady. Ow! All right, now try to find a place to grab it. All right, put this up here. Grab this last bolt, find a hole to stick it in, and here we go. Oh yeah! Woo! That's how you do. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's how you do a AC compressor. This is like this.
Yeah, flipped over. I was gonna say it didn't look
Okay.
the same at first.
Little fat fucker right here. Oh, so now, as you see, where this one's leaking from, right there. That's where the leak is. But it ain't gonna leak no more. Somebody gonna be cold tomorrow. Oh no, shit, later.
Few hours.
Put that big wildebeest down. And that's what happens. All that work for 30 seconds to pull that thing out. All that work. But hey, gotta go work.
I so want to say something right now, but
Here we
good.
What time? 4 o'clock in the morning?
Yes, sir.
Alright. 4 o'clock in the morning. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this beast in. Once I get it tightened down, I'll put the belt on and work backwards. Because I'm talking about this one here don't take much time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the top on first over here in this corner, because we got this little plate right here. I don't understand why the hell the plate's there for. But folks, I didn't design the car. I just work on it. So we're gonna put this one here first, up here. Right there. Boom. Let me get this here. Put it how it goes. There it is. All right, let's go. Get us another bolt right here. This one's gonna go up top. I don't understand what is this shield here for. But hey, like I said, I didn't design the car. I just work on these mother hoppers. Come on, you son of a witch. There's always something that stops my forward progress. There we go. Boom. Go ahead and put this bolt through here. I'm gonna have to deal with the bottom one first. There's another one over here. Just to catch this plate on this damn thing. Now we twist it up. Oops. Alright. There we go.
What's the plate for?
I don't know, just like a heat seal. Dumbass shit Toyota gotta come up with to screw you up. Make a day worse, miserable. Oh, right here. Alright, now this one should hit. Alright, there we go. One more. One more, baby. And we're on our way home. Oh shit, I forgot. We are home.
Yeah, I'm going to bed.
Yep, sometime tomorrow. Or next week. You can sleep next week, man.
I need a couple hours.
I'll give you a vacation next week. How's that, baby?
Alright.
Alright, now that we got that in there. Oh.
I think for your birthday we should go to the beach. Or maybe since we're busy next week.
What?
Maybe
Go to the where?
to the beach. Either next
We're gonna go to the
weekend or-
nude beach? Yes, folks, we have a nude beach
We have a couple here.
at Playa Linda. But the only thing is, it's hard to find the women from the whales.
Hey, be nice.
Hey, I'm being nice. I ain't never been to a beach with a woman so big. Ooh, we ain't big. But it is what it is.
Hey, if you're comfortable, do what you want.
Yes, mother. Listen, it's hard.
Just because you're a
So
dog
look.
and you want to go look at skinny little girls.
I want, you know what I'm saying? Let me just leave it alone.
Yeah, you're better off that way.
I'm not, but I'm going to just leave it alone. So I'm going to say something else. Where'd this go?
Because you know, I'll go to the nude beach. I don't care, and I'm not skinny.
Yeah, I know, but you don't look like, you know what I'm saying? Shamu either.
No.
You know what I'm saying? You can see the west spot. Some of them bitches, boy. You need the ocean to see the west spot. I gotta carry a 50-pound bag of flour just so the water hit them. I know where it's at. But anyways, enough of that. Back to work. You distracted me, woman.
Always.
All right, so here we go. Now, a little that way. I got all my connections put in here. I got another connection that goes up here. I got another connection that goes up here. That's a nut right here. We're gonna put this El Nutto right here on right now. We should have another bolt that goes right there. So I'm just gonna tidy up everything right here for the simple fact that if I do it now, I don't have to do it later.
You won't forget about it.
Yeah, and I won't forget about it. While everything is fresh in the cabeza, in the membrane, I don't know. Oh yeah, this one was right here. Funny looking one. Yep, right there. While it's fresh in the mind, go ahead and hit it all off. All right, this cover goes right there. Bada bing, bada boom, boom, boom. I got another bolt right there missing. Yeah, got you, baby. Anything you say, muchacha. Got another one right here.
Anything I said?
No, I didn't say that. I said I know what you're saying. All right, that's in there. Now, we got one line here. I forgot which one goes there though. Oh, are you serious? Can't be that difficult. Where's my other line at? Oh, here, go right here. Here we go. This one was. What the fudgicles? All right, we got two small ones over here. Well, a big one and a small one over here. All right, that one goes right there. Now, all right, we're gonna take the cap off. So this thing threw me off for a minute, cause this right here, I looked at the other one. This right here has two threaded sides, and then what happens is this goes down like this, because this is like universal. You can do it on the top, some screw on the top, some screw on the bottom. So that's where it got me confused for a minute. Woo, pop goes the weasel. But anyway, with that said, where'd that bolt go? Oh, right here. I put them in here so
you wouldn't lose them?
So I wouldn't lose it. Oh man, hold on a second. Cut the video. Cut the video. And some Vaseline.
Alright, you got your O-rings?
Huh?
You got your O-rings?
Ooh.
Said you have your O-rings? You good?
Yeah, I got my O-rings.
Alright.
I just need my pick. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, before I forget, I don't know if the kit has any. I have to look in the box. You gotta remember, there's two O-rings in here.
Yeah.
Bing, bing. You see the O-ring? That's an O-ring.
And they came out from what?
It comes from the AC.
That
The
line.
thing, yeah. Just gotta. I keep a bunch of them at home. I do a lot of ACs. Mine are green though. You know what I'm saying? That's the color of money right there. You don't know what the color of money is. And the difference between mine and theirs, mine's a little thicker. It's gonna seal a little better. You know what I'm saying? They're the same size, but it's a little thicker. Thicker's better. Women tell me that all the time. Papi, thicker better. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one here, right here. I'll slide it on top. Right there. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
So now I gotta get a little bit of Vaseline because, like she said, thick is too much. Wasn't ready for Freddy. Just put a little grease on it, man. Don't put it in there dry, because she'll cry and complain, and it'll break. All right, a little bit of grease in there. A little towel over here. And there we go. Look at that. Huh? Like money. Nice and slide in there. Slide. Now I can't get my bolt. Shove them in here. There we go. All right. Get a little. Oh, wrong way. All right, here we go. Don't crack the crap out of it. That's aluminum in there. Illuminati. Alright, now we got one more line over here. Take this cover off. Take the cover off. Take the bolt off. This cover should come out just like that. They say you could use these right here, but like I said, mine are thicker. Alright, so now we find our other line, which is this one right here. It's a freaking mess over here. Boom, that's my line. I got my bolt right here. Go ahead, grab my little pick over here. Dig this sucker out. Put this here. Boom. Get me on. Remember, they're two different sizes. That was the first one I did. That's for the low side. It made no sense. The low side of the AC, everything is bigger. The high side of the AC, everything is smaller. I didn't make the car. I just work on it. All right, so now I'm gonna get another O-ring out of here. Out of my little stash of O-rings. Find one that looks too big. There you go, right here. This the one. Ooh, that's the one right there. Ooh, good Lord. Ah. All right, put that back up there. Miss Secretary.
Oh, man.
Good Lord. But anyways, we're gonna grab our O-ring again.
Stinking us out.
Hey.
Time for that big exhaust fan.
Something wrong with the exhaust. The emissions is bad.
This is your emissions.
Hey. I pull a little bit of a little grease right here. All right. I'm gonna cover this up. And I'm gonna get it out my way because it could fall at any time. Oh, now you know what? I'll put it right there because I still got two O-rings down here to do. The ones that go into the condenser. So we grab our other bolt. I'll show you right here. Boom, right through there. And we know this line comes out here and cause havoc over here. Something like that. But we'll go ahead and get this in here like that. There we go. There it is. A one, a two, a 1, 2, 3. Now that that's on there, this goes right there. That go right there. I'm gonna put my belt back on, and then I put my radiator back on.
You know I'm OCD.
And I ain't done yet, woman.
I know, but it's bothering me.
It's bothering you.
Yes.
Good
I had to put a
Lord.
little rubber boot on.
All right.
Like that.
All right.
Put that back in.
No, there's nothing goes back. Now you're reaching. You're reaching. Just run the camera, and then in 10 minutes you gotta do breakfast.
Oh, Lord.
What do you know? All right, here we go. I'll pull that over there. Now we got one belt over here that goes over. Compressor here.
Yeah, this I can't really get on tape too much.
Huh?
So I can't really get this too much.
Why?
There's no space to really see what you're doing.
No, there's no space here to see anything. People, if you want to look at a belt over here, Google that shit. But I can only show you so much. I can't even get my hands down here. Where'd it go? Ah. I just had it on here. Oh, it went all the way over here. Come on. There we go. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. I think it came out somewhere down at the bottom. Alright. It's on it. Oh. No, it did go out the bottom. It come right here. It came out the alternator. Alright. Get this hoses back on. And get the air radiator. Why is this hose always in my way? That's why I hate these clamps.
I know, they're a pain in the neck.
There we go. Oh, this clamp kicking my ass now. Damn. 2 seconds to pull it off. Alright. Got rid of that clamp pretty quick. Son of a witch. Alright, let me see,
I think you put him back over there. The screwdriver? Yours?
This one.
Oh.
Oh. This one right here. There we go. That on the top. There we go. Right there. There it is. One El Campo El Duno. Alright, so now double check everything. We got one plug here that goes to the fan control. This is on, this is on. That's plugged in. This one's plugged in. That's plugged in, that's plugged in, that's screwed in. That's there, that's there, that's there. This is over here, that's over there. Everything looking pretty good now? Alright, we're gonna get a radiator. Let's wipe this down right here a little bit.
Here's one.
Huh? What? This? That's optional. Smart ass. Alright. Man, how many O2 sensors this bitch got? I got 3 O2 sensors. 1, 2, 3. Okay, whatever. Probably got a fourth one like this.
Okay, we'll learn about it later. I'm tired.
well. That'll work. That'll work. All right. Here we go. One radiator. What are you talking about, Mama?
I don't know, guys. He almost looks like he knows what he's doing. Sometimes.
Huh?
I said you almost look like you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
You've seen it once on YouTube, right?
I've seen it somewhere. It's a whole lot of plugs. I remember seeing them. There we go. Too big mother.
Got it in the hole?
Huh?
So you got it in the right hole?
No. No. Alright. That's on. Now I'm about to play with another freaking clamp. Let's just change it.
Here, plug this one. Plug this one.
I think I made it there. Alright, that's on. Get this over here. Little peepee weepy shit. Alright, that leans out like that a little bit. This goes here. This goes here. That goes in there. One more. Here. Here. Over here.
Alright, what you doing down there now?
I'm doing these O-rings right here on the condenser. Why cheat the system and not put them in. So that's what I'm doing now. Trying to match up something in here. And my little stash of O-rings.
Get the other box?
Huh?
So do you want me to get the other box?
I got one right here. You got the grease?
It's right here next to you.
Thank you. Oh, you think you're slick, huh? Huh? Crazy woman.
What, baby?
Well, I just saw you ain't got no drawers on. What's wrong with you?
It's called comfort.
Comfort, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I call it an invitation.
Well, hey, take it how you will.
Alright. Last one. I need an over and a little tiny one over here. For the next one. Alright. My pick is over here. There's a little line over here. There's a tiny one, bear with me. This is so small.
Oh, don't talk about it that way.
What? I don't think so. Alright. Got that in there. Oops. Put too much grease on this one. Oh, no. This thing is loose as fuck. But that ain't gonna work.
You want the towel?
Huh?
You want the towel?
Who?
Towel.
Yeah. That ain't gonna work. Why are you throwing towels at me?
I thought you just said you wanted one.
Oh. They were all like that. This is a little too big. I'll clean it off. I'm gonna go back to the stash. See a little fucker with one? Huh?
What?
See what a little fucker one? What do you want to have? That's it done.
That's it?
Yeah, that's done. So now
Okay.
we'll put the header back on. Everything is back on. Top it off with antifreeze. We don't need that down there anyways. What's the lid for this thing?
Right here. Plug it in.
Alright, that's plugged in. Got a couple of horns. A couple of more things over here to plug in. This gotta go in here.
So it's easier to plug those in from the bottom or the top?
Huh?
The horns.
No, everything is right here on the top. I
At
just
least
gotta.
that's easy.
Huh? What you call me?
Easy.
Okay, that one here. Another one over here. this old ratio. I gotta go hit that one bolt at the bottom real quick. If not, I'll never be able to reach it. There you go, woman.
Plain.
Oh, like I said, open the bottom. Let me look down here. There she goes. One down, 75 more to go. I got a couple over here, a couple over there. One latch. Son of a mother. That's what I'm looking for right there. Stop playing with my tools, woman.
I always play with those.
Hey.
I like playing with your tools.
Might be other ladies listening. Alright, here we go. Tighten this one in. Got another one down here. Over here. Go.
Where is that? Underneath.
This one here, I can't reach with the impact of my electric ratchet. I'm gonna screw it good by hand. Ratchet. Alright. Now, these right here, funny looking ones. That's all there. That's all. Thoughts on those only 4 of different colors. Now,
What's your phone?
did I hit the daily double? That was a lot of quick text right there, huh? Not an open wrench, so you see my open wrench, baby?
Nope.
No?
If you find it though, I'll hit you with it.
What?
If you find it though, give it to me so I can hit you with it.
You want to hit me?
Yep.
You know that's assault and battery?
Some people
I'm
deserve it.
Chico. You ever go to jail for that? They'll lock you up for 50 years for hitting Chico.
Not under Trump's administration.
Yeah, right. That concept will probably give you $500,000. Alright, what we got next? We got this thing. I don't understand. You put this dumbass duct, which goes underneath the duct, which goes over the duct into the other duct with this duct. Like, why are all the ducts for? Hey, this is crazy. Look at this. One duct on top of another duct. Fucking ducks. Actually, over. Alright, 2 more bolts. Over here. I don't give a damn where they go. I'm done. And my job is still not finished. Got this here. I already did a Cherokee with a ton of work. Oh, right here. So. What goes over here? I think a long one goes here. Do that. Right here. Ah, yeah. Right there, that's right. You know what goes there? Huh?
What?
Oh, sensor. First crank sensor? That's what goes there, yeah, that's the one that goes there. That's why we got this last bolt right here. Just for this little sensor.
What's that for?
Huh? Airbag.
Sensor?
Airbag sensor, mommy. Alright. That's there. Now I gotta plug in these two horns. That's one. Another one over here. That's two horns plugged in. Now, we get all this crap out of here. Right. Alright. See the gauges? I need to see the gauges. Gauges, woman! Alright. Vacuum this down. And it was holding at 20 forever. We're gonna close this. Close this down. Closed. So all we need to do now, start the car up and put it on the Freon. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. 6 o'clock, no, fuck, it's like 7:30 in the morning. I've been at this all day and all night, all morning, all evening. Just got the Freon in there, blizzard cold in it. That thing hit around 32 degrees. So, all I gotta do now is take my LKGO out of here. I gotta put down all this plastic right here. Alright, that's up there. But yeah, all I gotta do is put all this plastic on. This array of garbage they put on top of cars nowadays. And with that said, again, Spare Chain does it again. Another successful fix. They got cold AC. If I recall, it was quoted almost $1,200. $1,200 to get AC. If you afford it. I know my house needed the AC fix. And the guy said $12,000. I told him he could keep it. Got it done cheaper though. You gotta look around. Weigh your options. I know it's hot out there. You gotta go through a little suffering sometimes. Don't forget to put your little caps back on. I found these caps on the A-frame down at the bottom when I was taking the radiator apart. It's supposed to go back where they go. The low side over here, high side over here. This one is complete. Having that right there. The expansion valve working real good. I'm hitting around 210 on the high side, 42 on the low side. You know what that means? Blistering cold. Ain't gotta worry about no heat. Gotta worry about carrying a jacket in your car. But yeah, that said, he got the compressor. I found the compressor on Amazon, $202, free shipping. Came in 2 or 3 days, and I told him I'd throw it in, get it done. He's been hesitating. He's an older gentleman, him and his wife, hesitating on doing it. They're driving the other car mostly more than this one. So she picks up the grandbabies or whatever in this car, so I went ahead and I told him, you know what I'm saying, I'll do it for $150. Okay, you got me right. $150 is what I charge to do the AC. Older couple, nice people. I'm not here to get rich. I'm not charging a man or a lady $1,200, $1,100, $1,000. I don't believe it. So I'm gonna put it in for $150. It ain't taking me that long. Me and the wife play around, make a little video, so y'all can get some knowledge and, you know what I'm saying, we'll walk through on what to go through. Some of these are easy. When they bolt it up over here, and you can take this off, take that radiator out, no problem. That makes your job a lot easier. So $1,200, I don't see where. And then I also, it was here, it had a big old deck right here. I'm talking about, you see the scuffs? This was way deep in there. Me and the wife got the heat gun out, hit it with a little bit of heat. I popped it from the inside while she was warming it up on the outside. And we got it there. We even got the fog light to line up. You know what I'm saying? A little ingenuity. But yeah, big old dent. This was squashed in. And the car got hit on this side. Pretty decent. I took care of that for him, you know what I'm saying? Because it looked ugly. I don't like a car to look ugly. I try to make it look a little better. You know what I'm saying? So with that said, spare change, auto repair. Comment down below, subscribe, it'll help me out. Also check me out on Patreon. If you want, same thing, spare change, auto repair. And with that said, share. Somebody that might need some knowledge on it. 2007 Lexus ES350. Pretty simple job to do the AC compressor. So there it is with that. Y'all have a good day. I'm gonna try to give me a couple hours of sleep. Got a BMW coming in a little while. So with that said, peace and goodbye.